Before you decide to buy Javelo, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're already considering it or just getting started with your research, this video will walk you through the ins and outs of Javelo, comparing it to its competitors and helping you make an informed decision. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a few insights that could save you time and money, and you can even try the software for free through the link below. So, let's jump straight in. First up, Javelo is all about improving your employee performance management with a streamlined approach. It's designed to automate and simplify feedback collection, performance reviews, and goal setting, which is something many companies struggle with when using older, clunkier systems like Bamboo HR or even SuccessFactors. With Javelo, you get a more intuitive, modern user experience that doesn't require a lot of training. The user interface is sleek, making it easy to set up and use across all departments, which is a big plus compared to other platforms that can be overwhelming for new users. Next thing you should know, Javelo really excels when it comes to integration. While some software might require you to jump through hoops to sync up with your other tools, Javelo offers smooth integrations with platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace. If you're already using these tools, it saves a ton of time and makes collaboration seamless. Unlike some of the competition that has limited integrations, Javelo doesn't force you to leave your favorite tools behind. This makes it easy to get started without a long onboarding process, which can be a major pain point with other platforms. The third thing to consider is its approach to feedback. Javelo allows for continuous feedback, making it more proactive than some of its competitors that only focus on periodic performance reviews. With continuous feedback, employees can improve and make adjustments in real time, which is far more effective than waiting until the end of the year for a single review. Javelo allows you to collect feedback across different levels, managers, peers, and even direct reports, giving you a full picture of performance and areas for growth. Now, let's talk about goal management. The fourth thing you need to know is that Javelo's goal setting feature stands out. It allows teams to align individual goals with company-wide objectives, which many software solutions like Lattice or 15.5 struggle to do in a way that's easy to manage. Javelo's approach helps with clarity and transparency, ensuring everyone knows exactly how their work contributes to the larger picture. This is a huge advantage for organizations looking to foster accountability and alignment across departments. The fifth thing to keep in mind is Javelo's flexibility when it comes to customization. Unlike some of the competitors that can be rigid in how they structure reviews and goals, Javelo gives you the freedom to adjust the system to fit your organization's unique needs. Whether you need different types of feedback forms or custom goal-setting frameworks, Javelo's customization options make it a versatile solution, even for growing companies that need to adapt quickly. Next, let's address scalability. The sixth thing you need to know about Javelo is that it's built to scale with your business. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, Javelo can grow alongside you. Compared to other platforms that might struggle with scaling as your business expands, Javelo offers features that cater to both small teams and complex organizations, with the ability to manage thousands of employees efficiently. You won't need to switch to a different system as your company grows, which is a big win in terms of both time and money. And finally, let's touch on price. The seventh thing to consider is that Javelo is often more cost-effective than many competitors in its category, like 15.5 or Lattice. While it offers a similar feature set, Javelo can be a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality. It's a great choice for businesses that want powerful performance management tools without breaking the bank. If you want to see how Javelo works for yourself, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on the chance to get an exclusive trial and explore its full potential with zero risk. So, if you're looking for an easy-to-use, scalable, and cost-effective solution for employee performance management, Javelo could be exactly what you need. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try it out today and experience the benefits firsthand.